Hello, my beautiful friends. I am back at Target's Dollar Spot, and I'm so excited because there is tons of Christmas. So let's jump right into it and get started. All right, so let's check these out. Look at these gorgeous little nutcrackers. These are $3. I actually love these. And one thing, the 99 is going to have their own nutcrackers. So if you have a 99, make sure you stay tuned for those. And actually, we'll link the video down below if you want to check out the full corporate collection. I was down in corporate, so I got to show you every single collection that they're going to have. But I love this red one as well. I think I like the red one the best, just because I feel like it's very classic, very Christmassy, and again, $3. I really was expecting this to be a lot more. So definitely a great deal. And let's see over here. They have some gorgeous little stockings. These are $3 as well. Okay, I like that. So there's more $3 items, and it has like kind of like a not a burlap material, but it's not very soft. So just keep that in mind. Oh, and then this candy cane one. Look at that. I like this one also three. Okay, so they're all going to be $3. But I do like this one because I'm kind of going for like a candy cane theme this year. Just based on what I've seen so far at the 99's corporate showroom, so definitely want to kind of stick with that this year. But I like these. These are really nice, good size, and I like the fact that they're $3. Then they have this gorgeous green one, really nice. Kind of looks darker on camera, but it is green, trust me. And then look at these gorgeous little candles. Aww. Holiday cheer, $3. Okay. I feel like these should be $1. Even if they're a little bit smaller, they could be $1. I know Dollar Tree will definitely have some Christmas candles as well. Look at that. And then they have this one that says ho ho ho. I love these. These are really nice, I have to say. Again. Alright, let's check out these ornaments. Let's see. I love these. Look at these. These are little ones. So if you want to do like a little small tree, they have these cute ornaments, and I'm guessing this is going to be $5. Yep, it's $5. But look, you have different ones. You have Santa, the little candy cane, the snowflake, the gingerbread man. You guys get the idea. These are so. Oh, and of course, the little Nomi. And let's see. I think these are the same. Yes, they are. If we want to make sure I don't miss anything. And then they have these kind of classic bulbs as well. Again, I think this is more for like a smaller tree. And I know that Dollar Tree does sell like the small trees if you want to get those there. And these are also $5. Let's see. There's lots to take in. I don't know. This is what is definitely a classic here at Target's Dollar Spot for $5. They do bring this back every year, so definitely make sure you grab those. And let's see. Ooh, well, look at these. These are nice. A little wire. It says joy. And I think there's a second one because this one seems to have like a little house. And this one is. Oh, okay. This one is just like a plain one. Right there. My camera would focus. There we go. And these are $5. And one thing that I'm very excited about are the throws. I always buy these. These are such a great deal. These are usually $5. Yeah, they're $5 again. But yeah, they're really soft and they're just great to throw on the couch and just, if you're watching some Christmas movies or whatever it is that you're doing, watching Christmas movies or whatever other shows. But anyway, but yeah, these are a great deal, and I love that they have them. And this is sort of like a greenish color, or those looking kind of gray on camera. And of course, they do have the red, so they're definitely a must grab. And they have more pillows down here. The little tree. And this one says Jolly Old Saint Nick. Oh, and it's kind of a little bit of a glitter touch to it. I don't know if you guys can tell. And then I love this Santa one. It kind of reminds me of like the classic, the classic Coca-Cola one. And I like that they're very filled up. Yeah, they're pretty filled up, and they are $5 as well. So All right, let's keep looking and see what other items we can find today here at the Target's Dollar Spot. And I love that it's Halloween out here, but in store it's still it's Christmas and Halloween at the same time. All right, let's check these out. Let's see, these are $3. I liked how they sparkle. I like that, very nice. And they have this blue one as well. Interesting blue. And then they have this gorgeous green one as well. And they're all $3. Now let's look over here. Fa la 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 la. And then this one says Mary. So they seem to have two kinds, Mary and fa la 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 la, for $3. Okay, one thing that I will say is that I'm loving the fact that there is tons of items for $3 instead of, a lot of the items normally tend to be $5. So I think that is a great deal. And let's look at these reindeer. There's no way these are $3. No way. Is it? Oh my God, it is. Holy cow. And honestly, I'm surprised because normally this would be $5. Like normally I expect Target to charge $5 for stuff like this. But they're basically $1 a piece, which is a great deal, which is actually cheaper than the 99 and Dollar Tree. Holy cow. If you can believe it. And let's look over here. I guess these are more like a general holiday. Like, ooh, they smell good though. $3. Honestly, I feel like something like this would be a Dollar Tree. Maybe slightly smaller, but this style is just very generic. So I don't know if I would spend $3 on these candles. I mean, they do smell amazing though. I'm not gonna lie, they do smell really good. I'm gonna bring this one over here. Oh yeah, this one smells like frosted winter pine. Yeah, it smells like a fresh Christmas tree. And I know we've seen these for a while, so I think this was supposed to be a Christmas collection item. Let's see, they are $3. And of course, they have the little nutcrackers. Love these. Also for $3. I think they're all 3. Yes, they are. And they also have the little gnomes, which I know a lot of people still love. And what I'm hearing is that gnomes are still going to be around next year as well. And look at these. These are these part of the? Yes, they are part of the $3 collection. Woo woo. Let's look at this guy back here. Ooh, gorgeous. $5. I know this is like the first item we saw like a while ago. Love, peace, and joy. Merry Christmas. Snow there. There is no place like home. Oh, that's adorable. The little snowflakes. Ooh, let's look at these. Deck the halls, merry and bright, fa la la la. $5. Okay, well, that's cute. Yeah, I'd expect that to be $5. It's just the season to be jolly. Fa la la la, Merry Christmas. But you guys, I am freaking out over these. Holy cow! Look at this. $5. Look at the detail on these. Wow, and they have several designs. Let's take a look. They also have this one, which I feel feels more traditional. And let's see. Okay, these are just sort of the same, but in different combinations. But I think that's a great deal for $5. Oh, and they have Feliz Navidad. Hey, yes, love diversity. And then they have this one that says Mary. And they're all $5. I love the little snowflake. Ooh, that one's really nice, actually. I think they're all $5. Yeah, they're $5. And then they have the snowflake, which we saw last time, and the white one. And then that one says Merry Christmas. And I think we've seen these as well. Joy. And just the wonderful time of the year. So lots of amazing finds here at Target's Dollar Spot for Christmas. And again, I do have a full complete walkthrough at the 99 showroom. If you guys want to check that video out, I show every collection, so I will link it down below. But let's see if there's anything else worth checking out today here at Target's Dollar Spot. All right, so they also have tons of these wooden ornaments. So I guess you can kind of paint them or leave them as is. And they're $1. Okay, ooh, nice. Let's see, they have to C. Or is that a G? They have the T for spelling T. R. And of course, they gotta have S for sway. Sway to the 99. And look at these cute little, I wouldn't say potion bottles, but they're little glitter bottles, and they are only $1. I feel like they should be $2 for $4 because they're so tiny. And they have the little pom-poms, the little classic colors, very cute. Let's see what other ones they have. Ooh, classic gold. Look at that. These are so adorable. I'm sure you could probably find the little bottles and fill them up yourself, but if you don't feel like doing that, you could certainly get those. And they have the little stamps if you want to do, like, if you're throwing a party or doing some kind of raffle or some kind of, activity where you require people to stamp their hands. These are stinking cute. Have yourself a little Merry Christmas. Handmade with love. How cute is that? And of course, they have the ink pad as well. So again, if you are doing some kind of big party or like raffles or some kind of event, And these I'm so excited about. These are such a great deal. These are Christmas cards. I'm going to be announcing my official Christmas card exchange very soon. I know I do that every year, and there's a huge hit. Everyone absolutely goes crazy for it. Everyone always signs up. So I'm going to be doing that real soon. So I may grab a couple of these today. Look at these. Let's say they're only $1. This is a great deal, you guys. I'm going to grab a couple of these because they're just so unique and unlike other ones that we've seen in previous years. So I think these are totally worth it. I love these. I like even the little envelopes are so cute. The little, just the general cards. Yeah, these are so cute. These are coming home with me today because I don't want to risk them not having them later on. I'm sure they will, but I just want to play it safe. Look at these, the little houses for $3 for the crafting for the kiddos, and they have these cute little ornaments. How cute is that? That is so adorable. Again, keeping the kiddos busy for $3. And they have these. If you're a crafter yourself, you can certainly do this. I wonder if there's different ones. No, I think they're the same. They're just different in a different order. Let me just double check. Oh, nope, there's another one. So let's see. So there's a third one. Okay, yeah, there's like this one with the hot cocoa bar. And let me fix that. And let's look at these. More nutcrackers. Nutcrackers are huge this year. I mean, I know it's obviously a classic Christmas item, but I'm definitely seeing it in tons of collections. And then they have this little craft terracotta pot bells. That's cute. And more crafting as well. So lots of little items to keep the kiddos busy. And look, you can even make your own ornament. That's cute. Let's see. $3. Okay, that's not bad. And then I have these where you can kind of fill yourself, make a little scene, little Christmas scene. Fill them up with snow. Very nice. And I think we've seen these already, so I won't bore you with those. But let's keep popping around the store and see if we can find anything else. All right, my friends, thank you so much for joining me today. This was a quick sneak peek of Christmas, so I hope to see you guys back very, very soon. I do have some more videos coming up, so until the next one, I hope you stay blessed and stay full of blessings. Until then, have a good one.